The secret to soft winter heels? It's this blend of real butters, oils, and essential oils that actually nourish your skin. And this is one recipe I've been getting so many requests for lately, so let's make it together. Hey, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. This Winter Rescue Heel Cream is one of my favorite recipes for dry winter skin. Cold weather can make your heels rough and uncomfortable. This recipe is rich, made with real plant oils and butters. You can make it right at home in just a few minutes. Let's make it! Start by creating an ice bath by adding ice to a large bowl. Set it aside. Melt the shea butter and stearic acid. Once melted, stir in 1 tablespoon of almond oil. 4 drops of blood orange essential oil adds an uplifting citrus note that brightens the scent and your mood. 3 drops marjoram essential oil, which is soothing and comforting, great for relaxing tired feet. And 2 drops of fit essential oil blend, which adds a refreshing finish that makes this cream perfect for your evening routine. Then stir in the essential oils. Set the bowl into an ice bath and wait until it cools to the point where the edges are opaque and the center isn't liquid but still soft. While it's still in the ice bath, whip it until creamy, then spoon it into a 1-ounce jar and label. To use, massage into heels and other dry areas to moisturize and soften skin. Pretty simple, right? And this is just one of the recipes inside the January Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with the essential oils and instructions you need to make your own natural body care products at home without mystery ingredients. Let's test it out. It is so buttery and rich, and look at how quickly that just melted onto my skin. It's perfect for super dry skin, like irritated, dry heels that are so common in winter. You can also apply it to other really dry areas of skin for soothing relief, like your elbows or kneecaps or your ears. This will be perfect for using it before bed with warm socks. Make your heels feel really soft and nourished and completely rescued by morning. And that scent, fresh citrus with a hint of marjoram, feels cozy and bright at the same time. If you want to make this Winter Rescue Heel Cream, you'll find it in the January Simply Earth recipe box. You can also grab the ingredients at simplyearth.com. Try it out and share your version with us using #IMadeThis. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself today, starting from the ground up. See you in the next DIY.